Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got an unboxing for you. So, let's grab this straight out, wasting no time at all. So this diamond painting comes from the one with the diamond art and is yet another piece of artwork from the lovely Sarah Rose. Now, this one, I loved this drawing. As soon as I saw her working on it, I was like, if that becomes a diamond painting, I need to have it. So here it is. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, there's the diamonds. Oh, everything's coming out all in pieces. Come in. Right. So, oh, she looks good. Okay, let's have a look. Let's see. Now, I'm hoping, let's just move the ring light out of the way because that's not going to help. So this is called Herb Gathering and I've got it in a 60 by 60. Oh, there's my kit. Ouch, it's so big, it's going to knock my drink over. Let me move that out of the way. Okay. So this is Herb Gathering. I think this is going to be gorgeous. Now, I was worried, and I know Sarah had teased me a lot that this would have a lot of confetti in, but actually it's not too bad. You are going to get, obviously, a fair amount of confetti in the areas where the lavender is. But other than that, they have charted it with a surprising amount of colour blocking. So let's have a little look down. Interestingly, we've got a lovely thick top coat, which is something that I really appreciate. You don't want something that's going to tear really easily. And this one is split in the middle. So if you wanted to start working on your painting in the middle, you could do. I believe that this should be true to size. I know my other diamond, one with the diamond art ones are true to size, but we will measure just to be sure. And that is, yeah, that is a 60. And yes, that is also a 60. So it's a 60 by 60 image, not canvas. Oh, it's lovely. So let's go through the details and I'll bring you down a little bit. We've got our lovely little witchy lady. She is here. She's got a little familiar pussycat friend here. She is collecting lots of lavender in her garden and is surrounded by these lovely brightly coloured butterflies. And then, I love, you come down here, you can see her cat's tail. And she's got these great boots on at the bottom that you can see. Really, really lovely. I'm so pleased with this. My last Sarah Rose painting, I did not get it big enough. And I am going to regret that because it's gorgeous and I love it. But it would have been so much nicer had I got the bigger size. So I definitely think that with the one with the diamond art, if you can afford to go bigger, go bigger. I would definitely say that you're going to have a better outcome if that is the case. So I got this in round, just so I didn't have to worry too much about drill quality. Rounds were a lot more forgiving, and also if, as I had feared, this had been full of confetti, then I would have had to, I would rather do round confetti than square confetti. It's just a personal thing, really. So yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised by this. It's really lovely. So we have got, what did I get it with? I think I got it with pearlescent drills, if I remember rightly. So we've got 50 colours and that includes 4 specials. So let's have a little look at these colours. This is a great quality canvas. It's flattened out really nicely already. Really, really lovely. So, right. there is a big old bag of 939. That is your darkest navy blue. And then we've got our, did I say 4 specials? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So we've got 2 purples in the pearlescent. So that's 550, which is my favourite colour, and 209, which is a slightly lighter purple. Those have both got the sparkly coating on top. And then we've got a little sprinkle of the orange. That's 740. Where's that going to go, I wonder? Let me just see. Oh, that is going in the butterflies. That's going to be very pretty. And then we've got the blue 995. And that is going, I don't know. Where's that going to go? I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll figure it out. So, yeah, all of our other diamonds are in here. Obviously, everything comes pre-bagged, which is nice. So if you don't want to kit up into separate pots, you don't have to. You get your inventory sheet, which tells you the symbol, the colour and the quantity. So that big bag of 939, that is 16,500 drills. But then the smallest number, oh, letter K, it's a green one. It's got 52 of those. So yeah. But always nice to get some special drills. And I am personally moving away from ABs where possible. I just find that the fairy dust or the dust drills, the pearlescent drills are just nicer to place. You also, of course, get the big sticker sheet, which gives you a picture of what your canvas will look like and pre-cut stickers for all of your drills. So really good. I will go through the toolkit as well, so that if you've not purchased from them before, you can see what you get there. It comes in a little baggie, which is very nice. We have got, oh, got a fancy pen, an upgraded pen. Okay, thank you very much. That's very nice. Didn't expect that. So we have got your basic brass tipped pen. This one is clear with some sparkle. Then we've got multi-placers. These are not the ones that I use, but they're fine if you're just starting out. A little squishy that can go on your pen to make it a bit more comfortable for you if you wish while you're diamond painting. We've got a nice set of branded very sharp tweezers, and they're that nice I don't know what the shape is, swan neck perhaps. There's probably a fancy name for it. We've got a little bit of washi, which is very nice indeed. We've got a little caddy with some red wax. There's 2 circles of red wax in there, which is more than enough. And a little moss for tray, which is great. So yeah, this works exactly the same as the other pen. You can just replace the tip in here, and then you can use a slightly heavier pen if you find that more comfortable. And of course you can then add your multi-placer onto the other end. So that's really nice, a nice addition and unexpected. I will pop prices for this canvas, and I'll also link to Sarah Rose's website so you can see her other bits and pieces that she is up to. And yeah, I'm really pleased with this. The way that they do their canvases, you will see if I just zoom you in a little bit, is what you're seeing on the canvas at this stage is sort of a direct reproduction of the painting. But then when you get closer, you can then see that they've marked it with the symbols, but the symbols on the canvas are on a clear background so you can see the image behind it. They're not the coloured dots like you would see here at the side. And I know that can be a little bit confusing. And I am seeing, certainly in these confetti areas, I am going to have to concentrate quite a lot because that is a little bit like cross eyes. But in the other areas, like for instance on this butterfly, or when we're, let's see if I can get the, on her face, that's obviously a lot clearer for you to see. Yeah, I think this is going to turn out nice. This is a great size. 60 by 60 is kind of, it's a good sweet spot for diamond painting. It means it's not too big. It's not, you know, it fits on my desk nicely. So yeah, that is always what I'm looking for, is something that I can comfortably work on but still get a really nice finish. So yeah, so this is Herb Gathering by Sarah Rose. I got it in round, as I said. It's 60 by 60 with 50 colours, including the 4 pearlescents. So it's going to be a little while before I get onto this one, but I'm just really happy to have her in my collection. I fell in love with her. You know, she's witchy, she's in the garden, she's got a cat, she's got purple hair. What's not to love? I'm really pleased, and this is a good size. I'm really pleased with how she's come out. So let me know in the comments, have you seen any of Sarah Rose's other art? Do you have a favourite piece? I would love to know. And yeah, let's have a think. People come up with a little name for her, because she doesn't have a name. So we'll maybe do a little poll, see if we can come up with a name for her. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you very much for joining me. It's always a pleasure sharing new canvases with you, and particularly when I'm sharing the art of somebody who I consider a dear friend. Likes, comments, shares, all of that really does help the channel, and also obviously helps to promote this art to new people who may not have seen it before. And that's really what I want out of this, is for more people to see this beautiful artwork that's all human made. So please do consider the thumbs up. It really does help the channel and helps the video to get shared out further. Huge thank you to those of you that support me by becoming channel members. It is wonderful, and I'm so grateful and amazed all the time. If anyone wants to join them, it is just 99 pence per month. I will send you some stickers and you get early access to videos as well as a few other goodies. If you are a member, please do remember to send me your address, because I cannot send you goodies if I don't have your address. And with that, I will stop rambling. And until next time, stay crafty.